Wagwan everybody. So I hate it when, as a black man, you want to talk about your dating preference and you always feel like you have to speak down on dark-skinned women. I watched a video where this YouTuber was doing like a smash or pass on his followers or subscribers. The entire list of all the people he smashed were like racially ambiguous women, and then there were some very beautiful black women in there that made him click on their profile, and then he saw their pictures and everything, and he saw how good looking they were, and some of the pictures that he clicked on, he was like, oh wow, oh that's good, but at the end of the day, he was like, you're not my type. Yeah, you're fine, but you're not smashable, because I mean, I want to be confused about what your race is or what your ethnicity is, and that video just made me sick. Like, I hate the fact that, I hate where we're going to in this generation, or where we're going to where, I mean, I'm a dark-skinned guy, my woman is dark-skinned, we're going to give birth to a very beautiful dark-skinned daughter, and I just hate the future for her, where some idiots would think, oh, she's not worthy enough or she's not beautiful enough because of the color of her skin, and because he has been programmed to think that, you know, a girl has to be beautiful because she's racially ambiguous, or because she's light-skinned, or because of maybe she has one genetic abnormality that makes her eye a different color or something like that. And to him, that's beautiful, but my daughter is not. It makes me mad when I see guys that talk like that, you know. Everybody's beautiful. I'm not saying you can't have your preference. You can like your light skin, you can like your white women or your Latina women and everything, but keep the bashing or keep the degrading of black women out of your preference, you know, because people like us are on the market. We like our Hershey's, we like our Nutellas, and leave it like that for us, you get me? So, yeah, that's what makes me mad. I watched the video and it made me sick. I'm not going to say who the YouTuber is, because I mean, DDG, but yeah, but it just makes me mad. Like, there's enough space in the sky for all the birds to flock, you get me? So if you like eagles, stick with eagles. You don't have to bash hawks just because you like eagles, you get me? So yeah, I'm making this video, and I'm making this appearance on behalf of my future daughter, because I want her to grow up thinking she's beautiful, because she is beautiful. She's melanated, she's a goddess, and she's going to be loved the same way her mother was loved. So I just want us to be in the position where we should get this whole whitewashing beauty standards out of our head. Like, a woman has to be Eurocentric for her to be beautiful. It makes me mad that men, black men, actually feel that way, you know, and they express it way too comfortably these days, and it's so annoying. So everybody can have a preference, but please, if you know you're not attracted to a black woman, rather not say anything than say something. Oh, she looks good for a black woman, but I'll pass, I'm not smashed because this and the third. So that makes me mad, and I'm just giving a disclaimer. If you say it in front of me, get ready to run my fade, because I don't play about my black women, and that's it. Thank you.